Hey guys, I am Laiba and today we'll talk about textile pattern and prints. Textile and pattern refers to creating beautiful designs and patterns on different surfaces. For example, silk, wool, linen, and various other mixtures of fibers. Talking about how many different types of printing there are five types of major printing: roller printing, screen printing, block printing, inkjet, ink printing, heat transfer, or dye sublimation technique. Now today's topic is about textile print and pattern, and how are we supposed to create that, what's the process for that. It is very easy. I'm going to show you some of my samples that I created in my first few class of textile prints and patterns, so that you can have the idea that we are not supposed to take this to the very next level at the beginning of our classes. We are going to keep it very simple and very light, so that we can try to play with as much pattern prints as we can. You can choose abstract art, you can choose floral prints, you can choose geometrical art, whatever you like. Now this is what I created in my first class. If you can see, it's just different design, leaves, somewhere there are flowers, and you can see this is more sort of a flower. And when I painted one of them, this is what it looks like. See? So this is what I created on my own. So I am going to give you a task and you will understand how you can do this on your own. So you are supposed to take a paper, a simple printing paper, and take any pencil you have, lead pencil, or you can go into art pencil, which is 2B, HB, whatever. And what you need to do is just go with the circles. Create very random circles with your hands. You can use a scale to create any art you want. Right now I am going to go with the circles. Just fill your paper with abstract circles. That's it. Now take your paper. This is a tracing paper, and find out. So I'm just going to focus over here. Find out the shapes here. So for example, I can see this leaf here. So you can see this. It's more sort of a leaf, but you can use this as a petal as well. And so right over here, the opposite side, there's another leaf. See here? So that is how I created this pattern. Now do this, show you this. The entire print that I gathered is from such circles. So not that I didn't use any of my imagination. I did, especially for the flower petals, but this was the base that helped me to create this. And I would say now, as you know the basic of how you can create your own print or pattern, this is going to be a task for you. Create random circles on printer paper and put your tracing paper on it, and find as many pattern or prints from it as you can, and submit that so that I know you people are ready for the part 2 video. I hope this video gives you little knowledge and lesson that really wanted to forward that what I had and help you create your own pattern. I am definitely going to keep a longer video in the next class so that it is easy for you to understand what I'm really trying to convey. So before ending this video, I would like to show you this beautiful art. I call everything that is very beautiful in art because I think that it takes a lot of effort and time to create something like that. I want to show you that whoever manipulated this fabric into this long gown is known as fashion designer, and whoever created this print on this fabric is known as textile designer. These two things you are really you are supposed to keep this in your mind, that whoever creates the print is the textile designer, or whoever creates the fabric. Creating the fabric means how this fabric is created, like what threads are used to create this fabric, is the textile designer, and the one who manipulated this fabric into any form of a dress is called fashion designer. And if you can see, once you will know the types of prints and patterns, then it will be easy for you to understand what kind of print it is. So right now you can see it's flower, so it's more like a floral print, and then the beads, the embellishments are actually highlighting it more. So this was just to give you a little example and just to make you understand what textile and a fashion designer is. There are two different categories, just don't mix them. So we are more into working with what textile and what textile design, pattern, prints are. In my next class, I will be giving you, it is going to be more practical than the theory. I really want you guys to give me feedback. Whoever has any confusion, please feel free to message me privately or in the group. And I will see you all with another video very soon. Thank you.